Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can use motion tracking feature on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a new project. So I'm going to click on video and then select new, and we can choose a video we want to edit. For example, I'm going to choose video from this download folder, and I'm going to choose this video guys. All right, and wait, I'm gonna change the canvas, and I'm going to make the video faster as well. Okay, and I'm going to show you how we can use the motion tracking feature on this video. Basically guys, we can use motion tracking feature to track an object with text or sticker or emoji. And for instance, I'm going to track the scroll with text. So I'm gonna add text to my video. Okay, for example, I'm just going to type in follow me. All right, and I'm gonna click on this check mark, and I'm going to place it right here. And wait, I'm going to make it align with my video. Okay, and then we can scroll all the way to the right until we find it tracking. And here we'll be able to apply motion tracking to our video. You can choose this one or this one, and I'm gonna choose this one. You can use this type of tracking to track like a face. And I'm going to place this circle to the object we want to track. Okay, and then we can click on start tracking. Okay, and now it's still processing guys, and we just need to wait for a moment. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, and the tracking is complete, and I'm going to show you the result. Okay, if you're not satisfied, you can select retracking, but I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay guys, and that's all the way to that's all the way to use motion tracking feature on InShot video editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.